Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to measure oxygen level in Apple Watch. First, confirm your Apple Watch model supports this feature, as not all do. Next, make sure both your Apple Watch and paired iPhone are running the most current software. Finally, open the Blood Oxygen app on your Apple Watch and follow the on-screen prompts to enable it and configure background readings for continuous monitoring throughout your day. To take an on-demand blood oxygen reading, begin by opening the Blood Oxygen app directly on your Apple Watch. Find a comfortable position, resting your arm on a flat surface, and ensure you remain completely still. Check that your watch is snug on your wrist, but not overly tight. Then, simply tap the Start button and hold still for 15 seconds while the measurement is taken. Understanding your results is key. For most healthy individuals, blood oxygen saturation levels typically fall between 95 and 100%. If your readings consistently drop below 95%, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your oxygen levels or experience persistent low readings. The app also keeps a history of your measurements. For the most accurate readings, ensure your Apple Watch is worn correctly snug, but not uncomfortably tight, and positioned on the top of your wrist. Avoid taking measurements during or immediately after strenuous physical activity. Always ensure the watch sensor has good contact with your skin and keep it clean. Remember, factors like skin perfusion, tattoos, and even environmental temperature can influence the results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.